Which is the best angle for airplane flying longer?
Our group's topic is the best angle which paper airplane can fly longer. If we know it, we'll become enjoy launching paper airplane. Our group had two goals. First, we wanted to know what kind of angle which is airplane fly longer. Second, we wanted to know the worst angle that airplane flies shorter.
We use special airplane launcher. It has 9 angles, and we named each angle A to I. Angle E is 45 degrees. Also, we made another angle J. Angle J is 90 degrees. First, we set the paper airplane. Then we launch the airplane 3 times in one angle. Then the airplane falls on the floor. Then we measure the distance between the launcher and airplane, and put out the average of each angle's result.
We got 14 results. This table shows our results. This table shows how longer the airplane flies with each angle. Look at each averages of angles A to J. Angle F and E's number is remarkably larger than other angles. Angle J's number is the worst of them all. As a result, angle E and F has the longest average distance. Angle J has the shortest average distance and almost didn't fly more than 1 meter.
Conclusions. The data shows that the best angle is angle E and F. We think the angle which fly longer is about 45 degrees. Airplane fly shortest is angle J. According to the result, extreme angle can't fly longer. Thank you for listening.